Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem that many users might encounter while working with SELinux. The problem we're addressing involves customizing file contexts and running into errors when restoring them back to their original state. In this case, the context of the files in the files directory has been customized, leading to issues during restoration. Let's dive into how we can solve this pesky problem together. Now, let's talk about the solution to our file context restoration problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in using the if flag when running the restorecon command. By utilizing this flag, we can force a reset of the context to match the file underscore context for customizable files and the default file context, adjusting the user, role, range portion, as well as the type. This ensures a thorough and accurate restoration process, addressing the errors we encountered earlier. It's a handy trick to have up your sleeve when dealing with SELinux intricacies. Building on our previous solution, we can now complete the fix by executing the restorecon rfv files command. This command will carry out a forceful reset of the file context within the files directory, aligning them with the specified context configurations. The inclusion of the v flag provides us with verbose output, allowing us to track the restoration progress and ensure that each file's context is correctly reset. With this final step, we should be able to rectify the customization errors and bring our file context back to their intended state. In conclusion, by using the F flag in conjunction with the restorecon rfv files command, we successfully address the customized file context restoration problem. With these tools at hand, you can confidently navigate SELinux challenges and maintain the integrity of your file contexts. I hope this solution was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting!